Recording started. My dear students, your time to solve this question starts now. Keep yourself away from the camera, and I should see everyone writing on the notebook. Please
Sir,
stay away from the camera. Keep yourself away from the camera.
the
And
question number.
you should be seen solving the question. 28 in your book. You have the old book. Question number 28 B होगा. Following is the balance sheet of PQR who were sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:1. Bank balance 12,000. Creditors 70,000. Mrs. P's loan 25,800. I hope you have got it. Which one it is?
28B.
Yes, 28B. Practical question 28B. Now I should see everyone solving the question. In between, I will give you the tips and hints. Everyone be ready with the realization account. First prepare credit side. Oh, sorry, debit side. You start with debit side. First start with debit side. After 20 minutes, I will see how much you have done. It is a demo test for all of you. It is a demo test for all of you on record. I am also taking pictures of you, though it is recording going on, but I am also taking some pictures of you, which I will send you later on. Practical question number 28B, realization account. Everybody is preparing. Yuvraj Singh, come online. Yuvraj Singh, write all the assets on the debit side. I give you the hint. Write debtors, stock, shares, debtors, stock, shares, motor car, plant, motor car, plant. Arslan, sit at back. Move
Sir,
up.
excuse me.
Yes, please. Gurpreet.
Sir, please tell me third adjustment.
Third adjustment. Okay. Market value of the shares A Limited is rupees 16 per share. Half the shares were sold in the market. Half the shares were sold in the market. So what is the value of those half the shares? Total shares are 3,000. 3,000 the half 1,500. 1,500 multiplied by 16 rupees. 16 rupees. 1,500 multiplied by 16 rupees will be received by bank. By bank in bracket shares. And other half were taken by P and Q. So you will write by P's capital account, by Q's capital account in their profit sharing ratio 3:2. जो बाकी शेयर्स रिमेनिंग शेयर्स जो रिमेनिंग शेयर्स है 1,500 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 16 rupees, I think 24,000. So 24,000 you will realize in cash, that you will write by bank, bracket में shares 24,000, and the remaining 24,000 rupees shares will be taken by P and Q in their profit sharing ratio. So 24,000 in the profit sharing ratio 3:2. 24,000 into 3/5. 24,000 into 2/5. $14,400. 14,400 P by P's capital account, and the remaining one 9,600 Q's capital account. By P's capital account 14,400, and by Q's capital account 9,600. Afterwards, और उसमें लिखा हुआ है debtors realized 15,000, plant at 30% discount. So this one is simple. By bank account, asset realized में 15,000 and 30% less, 30% of plant, 80,000 का 30%, that is 24,000 less, 56,000. Stock value is 36,000, which was taken over by P and Q equally. So you write by P's capital account, by Q's capital account 18,000, 18,000, both 18,000, 18,000. And on the credit side, in the beginning, you must have written provision 1,200, by creditors 70,000, and by P's, Mrs. P's loan 25,800. These three you must have written in the beginning. Payments. Now go to the payments. Payments. Creditors. Total creditors are 70,000. उसमें से a creditor of 50,000 took over motor car in full settlement. So it is cancelled. Motor car we will realize nothing, and 50,000 creditors will not be paid anything. बाकी बचे creditor 20,000, they were paid at a discount of 2%. तो 2% माइनस कर दीजिए, 19,600 पेमेंट हो गई. 19,600 is the payment. Then expenses of realization to bank 6,000, and to P's capital account, what he has taken over, he has agreed to pay Mrs. P's loan Mr. P has agreed to pay Mrs. P's loan. Therefore, to P's capital account 25,800. I will help you
Sir,
in the preparation
sir,
of
bank
capital
over-
account. Yes, beta.
सर बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट नहीं आएगा?
Bank overdraft.
यस सर.
Where is bank overdraft?
सर सबसे ऊपर है बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट 12,000. 12,000.
Okay. This bank overdraft, beta, we will show in the bank account on the credit side.
Okay.
Bank balance we show on
Okay,
the
sir.
debit side. So this bank overdraft we will show on the credit side of bank account. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is
Okay,
our
sir.
minus balance. This is our minus balance.
सर फिर इसका ट्रांसफर भी नहीं होगा?
No, beta, no. Now, all of you, after preparing the realization account, will go for capital account, which I am preparing for you. Within 20 minutes, the question should be over. 6 minutes are over. सबसे पहले balance. Mr. P has paid Mrs. P's loan. Therefore, from realization account, by realization account 25,800 is Mrs. P's loan. There are a lot of items. There are many items in the debit side of this account. Tenani, keep the camera on. Keep solving. Within 20 minutes, you have to show me in your notebooks the whole question. You will click the photograph and send me immediately after the class, within 5 minutes of the class. After the class is over, you will click the photograph, picture of your question solved with date, question number, chapter number, your name. Mind it, it is on record, a test. And this is the way I am going to conduct your test. Giving question on the spot. And I have told you, keep yourself away from camera so I can see you are doing it. account, advertisement, suspense account in the old ratio. Three, two, one. 14, 28, 42. 3, 2, 1. Stock was taken over by P and Q. 18,000. 18,000. Shares were taken over by P and Q. Realization loss. Somebody's audio is on. Switch off.
क्या म्यूट कर
Whose audio is on? Ria. Tenani, how are you sitting? Amit, keep your camera proper. Where is it facing? Yeah, I can see all the students doing their work very sincerely, except one or two, and they are going on record. Whatever you are doing is getting recorded. So we will total it. As you can see, the debit side and credit sides. The credit side of P is 1,45,800. The credit side of P is 1,45,800, and when we deduct this, we got 49,200, which the firm will pay to him. 49,200 will be the amount to be paid to P. Similarly, 24,600 will be paid to Q. But my dear student, see R. Everybody look at the board. See R. R's debit total is 14 and 7, 21,400. R's debit total is 21,400, and here it is only 5,000. So he will bring 16,400 in cash. He will pay back to the firm. He will pay back to the firm 16,400 rupees. Please carry on, be quick and finish this capital account so that you can prepare the bank account and complete the question. We still have 7 minutes. We still have 7 minutes. Capital account. Those who have completed, start with the bank account. Because those who have prepared realization account, those who do by themselves realization account and capital account, for them bank account is a child's play. For them bank account is very easy because they know what are the items to be transferred to bank account. They know very well what they have done in realization account. What item to be transferred to the debit side as receipt of cash, and what are the items to be transferred to credit side as payments. I will ask you personally now, Mansa, what are the payments made in realization account? Only payments you will tell me.
Sir, what payments?
Payments, what are the payments made in this question? In realization account, you must have done it. So now answer them.
Sir, to cash account 19,600 to creditors.
Okay.
To cash account expenses on realization
6,000.
by bank.
6,000. Realization expenses.
6,000.
Okay. And these are the two more payments here. Look here. The capital account, these final payments. 49,200 to P and 24,600 to Q. There are 4 payments. There are 4 payments. It means on the credit side of bank account, there will be 4 items. 4 items transferred. Number 1, realization account, creditors paid. Number 2, by realization account, expense of realization. Number 3, P's capital account, 49,200. Number 4, by Q's capital account, 24,200. And in the beginning, bank overdraft, as Ria was asking that time, bank overdraft on the right side because it is a minus balance. Bank overdraft. So altogether there are 5 items. Bank overdraft, 1000. Dhruv Singhal.
Yes, sir.
Creditors paid 19,600. The payment of realization expenses 6,000, and the final payment made to P and Q. Khushi will tell me debit side. Debit side bank account. There are only 3 items on the debit side of bank account. What are they? Khushi? Khushi?
Sir, what?
Debit side of bank account. What are the items?
To realization asset release 71,000.
Very good.
To realization account shares sold 24,000.
Very good. One more item.
To piece capital 16,400.
To R. This is R. PQR. Here, see.
Okay.
On the capital account just now. To R capital account. R has brought in this
Yes.
to R's capital account 16,400. Both the side will become equal 1,11,400. 1,11,400. There are 28 students on record. I should get 28 students pics of the question solved. You have to write your name of the question, name, chapter dissolution. Question number 28B. After the class is over, you will click the photograph of this, and within 5 minutes it should reach to my mobile in my personal number. Otherwise, 0. Whatever you have solved, if you have solved even 50%, you will get marks, full marks. It should be there in the notebook. I think all of you have solved. Now just show me the notebook by raising it in front of your camera. Everyone for record. In front of the camera, bring your notebook. Pallavi down, Gurpreet down, Mansa over, Khushi, Amit, जिनका नाम ले रहे हैं, keep down, Jasmine, Ria, Amit, Vansaj, Anamika, Archie, Almugis, Ramanpreet, Kasis, then Krish, Ayat, Amit, Yuvraj Singh, Kasis Somi, Tenani, Pratham, Bilal, only realization account is prepared. Okay. Now, tomorrow we have business class, and one more class I will take of dissolution on Wednesday. After that, we will start the last chapter of this book, NPO, though it is the first chapter, but we are doing it at last. NPO, and by 10th of August, maybe we will be able to finish NPO also. It is a very good chapter of 10 marks. I hope you will be sincere enough to do it nicely, and take good care of yourself. Immediately after the class is over, click the picture and send it to me. Thank you. God bless all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.